Hey guys, it's your boy, Canna Boy, back here with another video. So just arrived. It's a package that just arrived. So let's open it up. Ouch. Oops. Okay. There it is. Wow. So yeah, we got Guilty Longinus. Well, it looks amazing. It's pretty heavy, and it's a used one. But yep, that's not an issue. So I've got something just for this. I'll show you in a while. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. I did mess it up. This gear just won't come out from there. So maybe, let's see. Well, that's all I got for it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Psych, that wasn't it. Well, if you thought that was the end of the video, well, sorry, but I still got some surprise to show you with the Longinus. So if you guys remember, I had got this 3D printed Dynamite blade, and I specifically got it from Longinus. So I got two of this, and so I've got one ready. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Amazing, isn't it? Just look at it. So this is the one that I got, the white one, if you've seen my previous video. So I just got it painted. Let me just get a better light view. So if you can see this, see, it's the karma disc and the metal destroy. So I'll just show you the parts again. I'm not gonna take off the DB core, but because with this 3D printed base, it's pretty tough to put it back on. So yeah, see, that's the 3D printed Dynamite blade. Have a look at it from behind, the side views, and I just painted it today. So yeah, and of course, I may not be that good at painting it, but I can be for sure it's a better paint job than that of Hasbro, at least. Of course, I'm not in line with the Tacker Atomy one, but yeah, definitely better than Hasbro. The Karma disc and the metal destroy. So put them back here. And there you have it, Dynamite Longinus. Alright, so well, for now, yes, now certainly the video is over, and I'm sorry for saying this again, but please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.